Eto na, hindi ko na i-ge-gatekeep kung paano kayo makaka-receive ng a lot of engagement sa isang content. Right now, hindi talaga ako nag-e-engage sa client ko. Hindi na din ako nag-o-offer ng engagement like 30 minutes engagement in a day, 10 minutes engagement, hindi na din. Pero may clients content receiving thousands of comments, thousands of leads. If you guys are familiar with the automation like ManyChat or yung magko-comment ka ng keyword, they will send you the link through DM. So we receive a lot of that in a comment sa content ng client na ginagawa ko. Kasi ganito ang nangyayari. If the content is working, you don't need to do the engagement. Kaya you have to try harder to make the content work for you so you won't have to engage with those audience anymore. So ngayon, ang question, Chara, paano nga ang engagement? Kailangan organic siya ginagawa. Hindi siya yung kapag nag-comment yung potential audiences, you will just reply. You have to engage through stories. You have to engage through comments. You have to engage to them directly, maybe like 2 to 3 times a week para mapansin kayo. For example, ikaw, kailangan mong matuto sa social media management at itong account ko na to, naghahanap ako ng people para mag-engage sa account ko. Nakita kita, nag-comment ka sa competitor ko. At dahil nakita kitang nag-comment sa competitor ko, meaning interested ka about social media management. Nagtatanong ka kaso hindi ka naman sinasagot ng competitor ko kasi ang dami na yung followers, ang dami nagko-comment. Kaya, ang gagawin ko doon, ilalike ko yung comment mo and then i-stalk ko yung profile mo, magla-like ako ng mga content mo. It feels weird pero nagpapapansin ka kasi. And syempre, paano ba tayo mapapansin ng mga audience? Kapag paulit-ulit tayong lumalabas sa notification nila. If not, mag-reply ka sa comment doon sa competitor. It is rude pero ganun yung ginagawa ng iba and I don't really recommend doing it. Kaya hindi na din talaga ako nag-engage with the potential audience and target audience. I will just create content that will make my audience engage on my content. Sa engagement kasi, time-consuming siya. Possible talaga na parang manunulot ka ng target audience ng iba. Pero it's your target audience and that's how business works. Kaya nga, sabi ko nga, diba, content strategy is very important to make that content work for you and you not working for that content.